So unfortunately, many people were fooled. Many people were sitting squabbling and arguing about price and saying that SHIB was dead. And because of that, many people actually dumped their bags and are now missing out on the start of this next wave in the crypto market. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that, but there's been some very important trends that have started over the last few days. And this is where things truly get exciting for Shiba Inu. And I want to show you guys just a couple things that have happened. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So looking at Shiba Inu in general, I'm not going to get too much into price because I did that earlier today and we're around similar levels. But again, we're waiting for US money to wake up. It's about 7 a.m. Central Standard Time right now. And we're starting to see a little bit of chop around these ranges. And we're trying to determine, does SHIB retrace some of this candle, or are we going to attack this last chance box in a very big way? Either one of those is 100% possible from here, right? That's just a 5% move for SHIB. That is very easy for Shiba Inu to do in a single day. And it wouldn't surprise me if, sometime over the next day or two, if we remain in bullish sentiment like we are right now, that could be right on the doorstep for us. Okay. Now, what I will say is that there are some people that capitulated over the last few days. In fact, when we look at holders from the 30th to the 31st, we actually saw it drop. Okay. That's only the second drop day Shiba Inu holders have had for quite some time. And we've seen this big, strong level of resilience. Maybe some people dump their bags in anticipation of the new year and uncertainty of what it might bring. Maybe this 200-day moving average, a multiple day test that we had kind of freaked them out a little bit. But they needed to understand that SHIB had already breached its trend. We were already showing a lot of resilience in general. And that is a strong sign for Shiba Inu moving forward, because now we have started to see something very important happen in the crypto market. And that is that capital that was sitting on the sidelines, that was just kind of chopping. Sorry, my nose itches. That capital that was sitting on the sideline, waiting for that moment to re-enter the space, it started re-entering. Okay. We have seen USDT dominance just from the other day drop by about 0.3%. So you're talking about, what's that? $3 billion re-entering the crypto market and starting to flow into mostly altcoins. That's a very exciting sign. And again, this is the trend that we're back on, guys. This is about the time where we really start to see USDT dominance drop off in a big way, start to set a new low here, meaning that alts are going to pick up some steam. We're going to see some build in pressure moving up the charts. All right, leading us to some very exciting moves. Now, during the same time, whales got exactly what they wanted. And what I mean by that is we have seen this time during consolidation where whales have accumulated and removed supply from exchanges, supply from exchanges. In fact, there's one whale here that removed 220 billion SHIB over the last 24 hours. And this is a whale that was dormant, at least this wallet, for the last 5 months. So basically they moved some SHIB back to exchanges. They were doing whatever on exchanges. And now they have subsequently removed that Shiba Inu from exchange supply. And what that indicates, guys, for those that aren't familiar, is removal of supply tends to indicate a longer term hold. Okay. People, if they're actively trading, they don't tend to remove their assets from exchanges. They tend to leave them on there. They tend to do their bulk of their volume. Typically, these DeFi moves mean longer term potential, longer term conviction. And this is what we've seen from Shiba Inu for a very long period of time, guys, all the way since basically, we'll call the top April of 2022, we have seen this consistent removal of supply from exchanges, and it is starting to impact price in a big way. But I want to remind people that there has been less and less and less as 2024 has drug on, and that is going to impact price in a very sharp way. I'll say very sharp. Yeah, very sharp way at some point in time, meaning that you're going to get some very large wicks, 40, 60, 80, 100%. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But really what you need is just this surge in buying, this surge in adoption. Many people are projecting 200, 300, 400, 800% moves in terms of SHIB. And all those are 100% possible. Again, this has been the building of the right floor for this next extension in the charts. And frankly, it could take off at any day, like we talked about in my video earlier today. So I won't get too much into that. But just understand that, the optics outside the space are high. Like I talked about in my later ADA video yesterday, where if you guys haven't checked that out, you definitely should, where I talk about the adoption wave coming. Right now, we have not seen retail come back. Okay. that is a very strong sign, because if SHIB is building strength like it is, if other altcoins are building strength the way that they are right now, again, I believe we are testing another new all-time high in terms of altcoins in general, but yet retail has not come back. Retail is going to be what pushes us to that $7 trillion global market cap of altcoins. That is the one that is going to help push SHIB to hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap. Okay. Nobody knows the future. Nobody knows how this is going to play out, but this is why resilience and conviction and patience are the most important things in the market, because just when you think things are going to drop, just when you think you're smarter than the market, I'm going to dump it just in case it dumps 20%. Sometimes you lose that 20% to the upside. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Did you accumulate during this time? Are you prepared for this big wave that is about to hit? But have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.